Today we are covering question and answers for CompTIA A+ 2201102. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. To find the complete list of question and answers, go to the playlist link provided in the description. The question is, which file system type is used by default when installing Mac OS on a modern workstations? The options are option A NTFS, option D HFS plus, option C APFS, option D FAT32. The correct answer is option C. The next question is, a user has asked you for a recommendations on which word processing software they should install. There are 4 different software packages they are considering and each uses a different licensing type. The user states they do not want to pay for the software. Which of the following would most likely be the best option for them? The options are option A open source, option B corporate, option C enterprise, option D personal. The correct answer is option A. The next question is, which type of installation would require an answer file to install the operating system? The options are option A unattended, option B repair, option C upgrade, option D clean. This is the test question. All you need to do is to answer it in the comment. The next question is, Jason is building a new workstation for his son to utilize when writing reports for school. A new computer will have an Intel x86 processor, 3 GB of memory and a 256 GB SSD. Which of the following editions of Windows 10 would support this workstation at the lowest cost? The options are option A Pro for workstations, option B Home, option C Pro, option D Enterprise. The correct answer is option B. The next question is, what is the minimum processor required to install Windows 10 x86 on a device? The options are option A 2 GHz single core processor, option B 1 GHz single core processor, option C 1 GHz dual core processor, option D 2 GHz dual core processor. The correct answer is option B. The next question is, which of the following best describes how a DHCP reservation works? The options are option A by leasing a set of reserved IP address according to their category, option B by assigning options to the computers on the network by priority, option C by matching a MAC address on an IP address within the DHCP scope, option D by letting the network switches assign a IP address from the reserved pool. The correct answer is option C. The next question is, which command line tool and option on the Windows system is used to force a background refresh of all group policy settings in a system? Please have a look at the options. The correct answer is option B. The next question is, which command line tool in a Windows system is used to display the resulting set of policy settings that were enforced on a computer for a specified user when they logged on? Please have a look at the options. The correct answer is option C. The next question is, Which mitigation provides the best return on investment by mitigating the most vulnerable attack vector in an enterprise network? The options are: option A, update all antivirus definitions on workstation and servers. Option B, provide end user awareness training for office staff. Option C, enable biometrics and SSO for authentication. Option D, remove unneeded services running on the servers. The correct answer is option B. The next question is: a programmer is writing a script to calculate the disk space needed to perform a daily backup. The programming wants to document his script so that other programmers can understand what his logic was when he wrote it. Which of the following should he use? The options are: option A, loop; option B, comment; option C, variable; option D, constant. The correct answer is option B.